Here we have one of our Eagle side seal large arch strapping machines. So this is a friction weld machine. So it's capable of running poly pro or polyester. Right now we have it set up for 1/2 inch 030 poly pro strapping. We're going to do a quick little demonstration. So this is operated by a push button. You can control the tension and the feed and reverse. There's also a push button on the other side. You do have an emergency stop, and also there is a foot pedal. These machines can be ordered in a large variety of different arch sizes as well. It can also be ordered for a 16x6 core. The roller tables are an optional feature.